about the car, Toyota, Honda, Nissan, contact Nissan in China is nothing. Yeah, almost died. Chinese company killed. Only Toyota still strong enough.
What do you think about Toyota?
I think because their thinking, their technology is the best in the world for car company. You can tell Ford, GM, nothing. Alright. In Europe, only BMW, but Mac, nothing. But for the common people, Toyota is the best. Cheaper, lasts longer, very low of the maintain charge. Alright. So in the beginning when I do business, I bought BMW, and after I retire, I take it off and get the new one, Toyota hybrid. My BMW 1 liter, 10 kilometers. The hybrid 1 liter, 23 kilometers. Half of the petroleum. And maintain charge every last year I go 2,000 something. BMW 20,000 something.
Why you not buy EV? Why?
You know, that is a new technique. That is a new thinking. That's a new model. I ask you, where you can top up your electric? Where to go?